Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. In this video I'll be continuing on with my Bluesky Gum Gel demo tutorials. To create this nail, GelnailsUk have very kindly sent me the white gum gel and I'll be creating a baby boomer, so a big thank you to GelnailsUk. You can find all the information in the description box as always. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll be using my flexi finger again for this nail, which I've already applied a nail tip to and filed over the top of it. The Bluesky Gum Gel in which I'll be using in this video, there's actually going to be 3 of them, and I'm going to use the white, the cover pink and the clear. The other products are GelnailsUk dehydrator and primer, and then also the Bluesky Basecoat and their no wipe top coat. I'll be using isopropyl alcohol from my pump bottle as I always do, but I also have a dapping dish as well, which I will explain later on in the video. I've also got a couple of my gel stirrer tools to use with the gum gel. I'm not sure how many I'm wanting to use though. I also have 2 brushes. The black one I'll be using that to apply the gum gel with, and the blue one is going to be for any cleanup that I need to do. You would have already done your nail prep, so cuticle removal, buffing the natural shine off the nail, etc. This nail is ready to start applying products to. I'll start with applying a layer of the dehydrator and the primer. If I was applying this to natural nails or even an infill, I would personally use 2 coats, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next one. Once they have dried, I'll apply a layer of base coat. Again, if on natural nails, I would do 2 coats. This is just personal preference. I'll then cure the base coat for 30 seconds in my lamp. I'm starting with the white gum gel, which is a nice sort of bright white in colour. It's not super white. Now when I did my practice nail, I noticed that the white actually turned my isopropyl alcohol a milky colour. So I'm using a dapping dish so that it doesn't sort of attempt to go back into my pump bottle. I'll wet my gel tool in the isopropyl alcohol. This just helps transfer the gum gel. I found that it's really helpful. Wetting my brush with the isopropyl alcohol as well, and I'm going to apply this gum gel to the tip, and then I'm going to blend it upwards towards the cuticle area and then blending it out. I have found it's a bit of a guessing game on how much you're going to need. When I did my practice nail and this one, I have used way too much. I do have a Bluesky playlist here on my channel, which has a lot of different types of Bluesky Gum Gel videos on. Some have prep work, some have filing in them, so make sure you check them out as well if this is something that interests you. The pink and the white layers I'm going to keep quite thin. Once I've got the white layer how I want it to be, and I've blended it at the top part as much as I possibly could do, I'm then going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. This can also be cured in a UV lamp, which you would be cured for 2 minutes. So that's now cured, and I just want to show you my isopropyl alcohol after I've used it. If I was using a dapping dish and it went like this, I would now get rid of this and start afresh for the next 2 layers. I'll now go in with the pink layer, and I'm going to do the same with the pink that I've just done with the white. it's just going to be the other way round. So it'll be nice at the cuticle and then blending it down to the white area. Now I have done the same with the pink as I did with the white and applied way too much. I'm a clear girl at heart, so doing nails like this is a little bit alien, I have to say. And up until the other day, I had never done a baby boomer. Once I've got the cuticle area all nice and neat, I'm going to bring that product down the nail. Now you can put your blend line in wherever you fancy, but you'll notice that when I go to do the blend, I've changed the angle of my brush to do the fading blending part. I've got my brush almost at a horizontal level, and I'm going to then lightly pull it down to blend over the white. I found this really easy to blend together, if anything, too easy. I will then also pull the sort of remaining part of the pink over the top of the white. This just sort of softens that white, it makes it less harsh and sort of more blended together. But the horizontal brush really did make it super easy. Now the best thing with gum gel is that you can play around with that blend until you are really happy. So if you don't like it, push it back up the nail and bring it back down again. Once I'm happy with how it all looks and it's all blended together, I'm then going to cure that in my lamp again for another 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I'm then going to come in and I'm going to cap this nail in clear. I've seen the baby boomer nail done with the gum gel polygel system 2 different ways here on YouTube, and that is capping the blend in the clear and not. And I have to say, I prefer the look of the capping, as when you come to file over the nail, you'll file into that blended area and you will lose all that nice blended pink and white effect that you're going for. When applying the clear, this is when I'll make sure that it's nice and thin on the cuticle area, sidewalls and free edge, and that I have a nice apex for the strength of the nail. I think the best bit of advice I could give for the gum gel polygel system is to actually watch acrylic techs work, and there are 2 that I would recommend to watch, and that is Liz's Acrylic Nails and the Ninja Fairy. This has really helped me with the application of the gum gel, because the gum gel is so much like acrylic product. So once I've got that clear layer all in place, I'm then going to cure again for another 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I'll then take my wax strip and my isopropyl alcohol and I'm going to clean the nail. And I like to make sure that I get all of the sidewalls, the cuticle, the free edge as well. I'm not going to include any filing in this video. You can find that in other videos that I've done. But I'm going to be using a 100-180 first, and then I'll go in with a 180-180 for the cuticle area, and then I'll finish with my buffer block. Check out the other gum gel videos for the filing, but I am really not the best at doing that on camera. Once I've filed, I'll also clean the nail again with the isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining dust and bits and pieces. I've not made a huge apex as it's only a demo, but I'm not a fan of huge apexes anyway. I much prefer a thinner nail. I'll then apply a layer of the Bluesky No Wipe top coat, and I'll be curing that again in my lamp for 60 seconds. And if I get any on the skin, I will just remove that with a brush dipped in isopropyl alcohol. And there's the finished nail. The Baby Boomer is one of my favourites to look at, and I have never been able to achieve one until now. I will also be giving it a go with Builder Gel as well, so that's another video that will be coming to my channel. So again, a big thank you to GelnailsUk for sending me the white gum gel to do a tutorial on this. I hope that you have found my Baby Boomer tutorial helpful. So thank you for watching my Bluesky Gum Gel Baby Boomer tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.